In ClonBrowser, configure the browser profile to add a platform account to realize automatic login. This eliminates the need to search for passwords and manually enter account passwords every time you open the browser, making account management easy and convenient. Adding a single account. You can find the account function in the profile display column. We provide 4 types of platforms: social media, e-commerce platforms, payment tools, and email platforms. If you have other platforms to add, you can contact us. After selecting the platform is completed, you need to fill in the relevant account name, platform account number, platform password, and other information. Click OK to save successfully. The first time you open the profile after setting, still need to manually enter the account password. Batch import platform account. Export template, add information, import template. You can find browser profile list in the client. Check the profiles that you need to import platform accounts this time, and click Export Template button. If your account belongs to a platform that we support, please select System Platform Account. If you want to customize, please select Custom Platform Account. Add your account information, account username, account password, etc. in the downloaded template. This is the account information table to be imported. In the client, find the browser, batch import function, select your template type, and upload your filled account information form. If you downloaded the System Platform Account template, please select System Platform Account. If you downloaded the Custom Platform Account template, please select Custom Platform Account. After successful import, confirm the import to update the imported data and successfully batch set the platform account of the profile.